Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm fulfilling a request. This recipe was requested by Maureen. So Maureen, thank you so much for requesting it. Today we'll be making some Barfi mousse or Barfi dessert cups. Really light, flavorful, delicious, and guilt-free, maybe not. So let me show you how easy this is to put together, and this can be made a day in advance for your celebrations for Diwali. So to make this, we're starting in a bowl and I'm adding in heavy cream, also known as whipping cream or cooking cream in Trinidad. To that, we're going to be whipping it until it's soft peaks. Once it reaches the soft peak stage, like this, we don't want to over whip it. We're going to stop. See how nice and soft? Now I'm going to add in some icing sugar or confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. I'm going to mix that in until it's at firm peaks. Don't overmix where it turns into butter, right? Just allow it to mix until it's firm. Next, I'm adding in 1 can of Nestle table cream or media cream. And guys, please don't skip this one. I would really like if you all use it. So I'm emptying this entire tin into the whipped cream mixture. I'm adding in ginger juice because I don't want you guys to be biting down on pieces of ginger. In goes cardamom or elychee powder. And next we're going to go in with our instant powdered milk. These are all of the ingredients that we normally put in a barfi. So all you have to do is give this a good mix, and I'm using my spatula as to not over churn the whipping cream and turn it into butter. And once mixed in really well, you want to taste it and make sure all of your flavors are balanced. And this is how it should look, nice and light and airy. Now all you have to do is spoon this out into your dessert cups. Now these can be made the day before. You need to chill them in your fridge overnight for it to set up. You can't serve it like this, it's going to be very soft, but if you allow it to set up in your refrigerator, it's better. I'm topping this with some crumbled kurma that I had on hand, and I'm also putting on some sprinkles. The kurma is totally optional, it's just for that crunch element. And that's it. You can do this with the kurma or you can do it plain, whichever version you like, depending on what your guests will like. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Look at the consistency once it's set. This was really light, airy, decadent, and full of flavor. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Thank you, Maureen, for requesting this. Thank you all so much for joining me today in the kitchen. If you make it, comment and let me know down below what do you think and if you like it. Thank you all again, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.